Hello, we're going to talk about how to figure out what is the right adapter for your appliance. So the way that we do this is actually by using a web tool that Unitrends has created. Now, I'll be honest, I don't know the address to it, but I do know how to get to it. So if we go to Google and we go in and we type in Unitrends adapters, it actually takes us to a nice little page to find the appliance adapters. So when we go to this, what this does is it gives us the opportunity where we can go in and look at what appliance we have and then select which is the right adapter for this. So right off the bat, it asks us what is the appliance model that we have. So for instance, if I had a 9032 and I want to understand what adapters are available, I can click on that. The second question asks is, has the appliance already been shipped? Simply meaning is you as the customer, do you already have the appliance on site and you're looking to add the adapter to it? This matters because when we ship an adapter to a customer that has already purchased an appliance, we'll ship a kit that includes all of the pieces that you need to install it and connect it. Where if we were looking at buying a new appliance, we would not need to worry about the kit piece. So I'm going to go ahead and say no, that this has not been shipped. Now here on the left side, it gives us an option of selecting what can go in the slots. So you'll notice as I hover over the selection, we actually see it highlight on the appliance where that card is going to go. So the first option is asking about fiber. So this would be if we were using a fiber channel card, generally used for tape, but can also be used as part of the fiber connected fabric. We can also go in from the second slot and look at the RxDA. This is the removable disk bay that connects into the appliance for archiving, but we can also use that same 12 gig SAS card for tape. The advanced NIC is where we can select a 2-port 10 gig SFP adapter. We can also select another fiber channel card or another 10 gig fiber channel 10 gig SFP adapter as well. And then we also see the USB archiving piece. So if we were to go in with our 9032 and we wanted to add an SFP adapter so that we could connect in, what we see happens down below is that it'll show us what version of appliance we're looking at, and then it will actually specify what the model or what the adapter is that we need, as well as what the SKU is that you can use to work with your account manager or your account executive to be able to order that. So if we were to think about this 9032, right, we're going to add in this one adapter. He's going in the small slot. We could go in and we could add in our RxDA adapter as well, and it will let us do that. And you'll notice that it tells us what the optional components that go along with that eSATA controller that is used for the RxDA, but once again, gives you everything that you need there. So this is a really useful tool to make sure that when you're looking at the appliance and figuring out how you're going to connect it either to media or onto the network, that you use the correct adapter and that you use the correct SKU to understand what that is. Thank you.